Got a lot of flavor. Sweet.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah. Hey guys, Ambrose here. So today what we're going to do is we're going to harvest a sugar baby watermelon. We posted it a couple weeks ago on Instagram, and some of you were interested to see when we actually harvest this and cut it. So that's what we're going to do today. First, what I want to talk about is the system that we use here to grow this. So what we did was I put 2 plants in here. So we tried to get away with putting 2 plants in here, knowing that we were going to move. We tried to get as much as we could out of this. Unfortunately, it was a mistake. And what we're doing here is we started this channel with the intention of journaling everything that we're doing in this gardening channel and learning from our mistakes. And so this is just one of them that we're going to learn through. And it's you know, putting 1 plant in 1 container. But as you can see, there's a lot of foliage here. We have a Tommy apple melon, then we have the sugar baby watermelon. So today we're going to harvest this one right here. As you can see, it's a nice big juicy looking sugar baby watermelon that we're going to get today. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like once we cut it open. But like I said, we're learning from these mistakes. This is not the first one. This is actually the second one we're going to harvest. The first one that we harvested, unfortunately, I was wondering why it wasn't getting any bigger. And with the system here, it hung and the stem was getting pinched against a cage here, so it actually cut it, and therefore it wasn't producing anymore. It wasn't growing, wasn't getting any nutrients. So we took that one off, cut it open. It was good, but I don't think it was as great as we wanted it to be. So that's what we're going to do today. So we're just going to learn from this. Next time we see some, we're just going to find a way to prop them up so they don't get pinched, they don't get torn or anything like that, and they keep producing just like this one did down here. This one grew on the inside of the cage, so it's growing nice and big. The other thing I want to talk about was with this system here, it vined all the way around, so that's something that we wanted. It's the look that we wanted here, but it's actually growing good. And next time we're just going to do 1 plant. Over here we have our cucumbers, and I don't want to get away from the sugar baby watermelons, but I want to show you guys this also. So as you can see, this is something that we learned to. I put 2 plants, 2 cucumbers in here as well in the hanging container. As you can see, this side's looking kind of damaged and looking pretty bad. Now the reason for that is we got this cucumber plant accustomed to the shade, and as you can see, all this right here is still getting shade, so it's nice and green. But this side is where the line of sun hits, so you can see all this. And one thing I didn't know was, for some reason, the birds like to hang around here. I don't know, guys, you tell me this in the comments below, but the birds actually like eating at these leaves and picking at them and kind of destroying them. So a lot of this is actually from the birds that like to hang around right here. But again, like I said, I don't know anything about that. Birds love to pick at it. You tell me in the comments below, like I said. But as you can see, this cucumber plant is doing nice, it's doing healthy. You can see I've kind of 8 just along this vine. There's a couple more over there, even the one that's damaged over here. So there's a total of 13. We've been getting cucumbers from this plant, I would say 1 or 2 every week, and they're absolutely huge. They're absolutely amazing. I'll pop a picture up there to show you how big they are. They're absolutely humongous, and they're delicious. We actually pickled some as well, and those came out amazing as well. But let's get back to the sugar baby watermelon real quick. So another thing I learned when I did this was, how was I going to get it out? So we're going to have to make an access panel here. So we're going to have to go ahead and snip this guy, so I have a way to get it out. Alright, so there we have our little panel there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to snip this guy. Look at that, guys. Nice and big. Looking absolutely delicious. Can't wait to cut this thing open. Alright guys, so we got this guy off the vine. I forgot a cutting board, but oh well, we're just going to cut into this guy and show you exactly what it looks like. So here we go. Nice snapping sound when we cut into it. Look at that. Looks pretty juicy already. Alright guys, so this is very, very sweet. Very juicy. It's absolutely delicious. Can't wait to grow more of these actually. I think we're gonna go ahead and grow these in the next garden and the following years. The kids absolutely love this. I can see Angie behind the camera savoring. but I can't wait to share this with them. It's absolutely amazing. One thing that I found is, you know, the watermelons with seeds are the most sweetest, most juiciest watermelons you can get. We tend to buy the seedless ones at the store, and I think that's it's just more for convenience. But absolutely growing this in the yard is absolutely amazing. I mean, I don't know how I wish you guys could taste it. I wish you guys could actually smell it. It's super sweet, more sweet that so sweet that I can actually feel it in my throat, almost like when you're eating some you know, pure chocolate or something like that. The sweetness just kind of chokes you up a little bit, but this is absolutely delicious. Again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We wanted to share this with you guys and actually show exactly what it looks like once we cut it open into this guy. But again, I can't really express how delicious this tastes. But that's gonna be it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't given this video a like, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the reminders as well. We'll be glad to have you. We love to interact with you guys. Leave some comments down below, especially about the cucumber leaves, because I'm confused about that. I'm not sure what the birds are doing with it, but if you know, please let us know. But that's gonna do it, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Good.
Perfect. Now move.